Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's bake a cake together but make it dairy free. This is a very simple vanilla sponge recipe and you can also make it with your regular dairy products, but this one is dairy free. And here are the ingredients I will be using. So we have our sugar, eggs, self-raising flour, sunflower oil, non-dairy milk, and this is the non-dairy milk brand I used. It's called Cocoa Original. So first you add your sugar into a clean bowl and add in your eggs. I will drop detailed measurements of the recipe in the description, so be sure to check that. Then you hand whisk this just to ensure the egg is properly mixed and the sugar is dissolved in it. Don't overmix. Next you add in your vegetable oil and your vanilla flavor. Then you mix until everything is well combined. Then you add in your milk or your milk products. Any milk works well for this. If you wanted your regular dairy products, use that. Next, you add in your flour. You should have sieved your flour beforehand, and if you're not using the self-raising flour, add in your baking powder, then you just mix until everything is properly combined. Remember, do not overmix. Now you just fold it with your spatula just in case some flour by the side of the bowl. And yeah, we're done with that. Then you scoop into your cupcake pans, and if you're using a regular pan for this, just grease your pan, line it with parchment paper and pour in your butter. Next, you bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees to 175 degrees depending on your oven temperature, and you bake for 35 minutes. Your cupcakes are ready. Look at this very easy recipe. The cake is spongy and is very good even for a regular cake. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, leave a comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in my next video.